Okay, so this has to be one of my favorite things that we have gotten for our RV. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this awning sunshade for your RV. So we recently went on a camping trip and it was miserably hot and sunny, but we still wanted to hang out outside of the rig. We installed this RV shade and oh my gosh, what a difference it made. Everyone actually moved their chairs underneath the awning because it really was considerably cooler underneath there. I was really surprised what a difference that this mesh screen made in cooling us down. I love that it doesn't hinder your view. It comes with everything you need to install it. Basically, you just slide it into your awning slot and then stake it into the ground, and that's it. It's up. It also comes with a really nice carrying bag to keep everything in when you take it down. Side note, you do not want to roll this up into your awning. It is not designed for that. You will need to uninstall it before taking your awning in, which is probably the only downside of this, but it's so easy to install and uninstall, it's really not that bad. This blocks the sun, it drops the temperature under the awning, more than I thought it would. We went from sweating and being uncomfortable to actually being able to sit outside with the dogs, and even they were comfortable. I don't know why I didn't get one of these years ago. If you're looking for a great sunshade for your RV, we highly recommend this.